Congratulations on purchasing your Riccar Clean Air Premium Pet Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar. Let's check out what's in the box in the Riccar R27P. The first thing you see in the box is the main vacuum unit, the handle and cord assembly, the premium dusting brush and upholstery tool, the Forget It pet tool, the crevice tool, the aluminum telescoping wand, the extension hose assembly, and the owner's manual. Now that we've seen what's in the box, let's go ahead and put together your Riccar Clean Air Premium Pet Upright Vacuum Cleaner. In the box, the main unit will have a screw in the back here. Really easy to do. This is the one piece that you'll need tools for. We slide this down into place. And insert the screw. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and take and put the premium dusting brush and upholstery tool right here. I kind of like it turned to the side, and then our Forget It tool will go right here in the front. We have the nice crevice tool right here, and it's going to fit in this sleeve right here. Why we have that turned like that, I'm just going to go ahead and snap the hose into place. And the wand will snap together here. Comes around and tucks into right there. Then our cord will now be able to wrap around the cord hooks. So from box to floor, it's in a couple minutes, you're ready to vacuum with your Riccar vacuum cleaner. Happy vacuuming.